This is the pressure unit converter calculator, which instantly converts pressure values between 9 different units of measurement. The calculator has 2 main inputs. First, you'll select your starting unit from the From Unit drop-down menu. Your options are PSI pounds per square inch, bar, kPa kilopascals, atm atmospheres, PA pascals, mbar millibars, torr, mmHg millimeters of mercury, and NH2O inches of water. For this demonstration, I'm using PSI. Second, enter your pressure value in the value field. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 in the value field and click Calculate Conversions. The calculator immediately shows all conversions. Our 10 PSI converts to 0.689476 bar, commonly used in European specifications. It equals 68.948 kPa, the SI unit preferred in scientific applications. We get 0.68046 atmospheres, useful for comparing to standard atmospheric pressure. The result is 68947.60 pascals, the base SI unit. For meteorology, that's 689.476 millibars. In vacuum applications, it converts to 517.151 torr, or 517.151 in dropdown. For HVAC systems, it equals 277.0760 inches of water column. This tool eliminates manual conversion errors and saves valuable engineering time. Find the link in the description below.